Welcome to W.P. Franklin North Campground, located at 17850 North Franklin Lock Road, Alva, Florida 33920. You're from I-75 North. Take exit 141, State Road 80, and travel east to State Road 31. Turn north on State Road 31 North and travel 4 miles to State Road 78. Turn east on State Road 78 for 5 miles to North Franklin Lock Road. Turn south on Franklin Lock Road and follow into the campground. From I-75 South, take exit 143, State Road 78, and travel east to State Road 31. Turn north on State Road 31 North and travel 2 miles to State Road 78. Turn east on State Road 78 for 5 miles to North Franklin Lock Road. Turn south on Franklin Lock Road and follow into the campground. Okeechobee Waterways. Here we are. Open at sunrise and close at sunset.
Wow. Sweet.
Welcome again to W.P. Franklin North, located on the Caloosahatchee River section of Okeechobee Waterways. W.P. Franklin North Campground has a tropical atmosphere that provides an excellent setting for visitors to camp, fish, boat, or enjoy hours of quiet contemplation. Downtown Fort Myers flea market, grocery stores, malls, and the historic Thomas Edison and Henry Ford homes and the beautiful Gulf beaches are all within 15 minutes of driving time. On the north side of the river, the W.P. Franklin North Campground offers 30 Class A, tent or RV sites and 8 cruisers or boat sites, all with electric and water hookups. Campground amenities are, again, RV and boat sites with electric and water hookups, boat ramps and courtesy dock, showers and restrooms, fishing areas, and trailer dump station. I can take a little drive around up here just to see it. All right. Some people back. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Hey. Welcome to W.P. Franklin North Campground. There's a dump station here. Okay, and we're gonna come around and see site 1. On the street here, but site 21 is a pull-through site. Yeah. Okay, so 20 is also in the middle. 19 is site 3. That's our other site, site 4. Look, they already got the camper in there. That's site 4 right here. This is the one that your brother will be staying at. water. 7. It's also the restrooms. Okay. Site number 8 is a handicap accessible. Oh, little birds and ducks. Site 9. Oh, 9 is nice. So is 10. Then you have the whole area by yourself over there. Okay, site 10. 11, a pull-through site. Okay, 12. 13. 14. 15 is rather small. Wow. 16. 18 is again a pull through. 19, 20 on the left. 17 here. 21 on the left, not on the water. Okay. 18. And again the dump station. That was the gatehouse. This is another restroom and parking areas. We have a boat ramp on the left here, and then there's some boat sites. Okay, we have site 22. Yeah, pull through site. 23, right on the water, and that is our site right there. Look, 24. See it? Mm-hmm. This is the one you wanted. No shade. And it's 25.
Oh, the other side is more beautiful.
26. The other sides are boats. No?
Yeah, but it's more beautiful.
26, yes. The campers, we have some parking for campers with a little house. That's really lovely. Okay, site 27. into the park on the other side. Here we are in Site 24. Back, pull up past the site. Back up. Hey. Welcome to W.P. Franklin Campground. I'm going to show you around Site 24. Okay, so Site 24, again, every site has the little picnic table with the, we also have the grill as well as the fire ring. And this is the view. Again, we're right on the water with the locks behind. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
96 degrees.
Okay, so please like, share, and make comments below.
And subscribe.
Subscribe, don't forget, yes. Thank you. So, hope you enjoy the video and W.P. Franklin Campground.
And enjoy the view.
Enjoy the view. Okay. So, now that's RVing.